Just look at that. Bam! Pretty much sure you would love to have this knife in your collection. Hello, my name is Andrei, and today we're gonna talk about the Suncraft Black Bunka. The knife comes in a black box. It has instructions inside and a black cover for the knife, made from paper. In the instructions you can see how to sharpen the knife and how to maintain. Suncraft Black Bunka is forged in Japan by the Suncraft, in the famous city Seki, which is in Gifu Prefecture. This knife is really unique. This is a multi-purpose knife which can handle many different tasks. You can slice, you can chop, you can dice with this knife. It doesn't afraid of any job. Suncraft Black Bunka made from 33 layers of the Damascus steel and the VG10 steel in the middle. Thickness on the spine is only 1.8 mm. The handle sits very well in your hands, regardless if you are left or right-handed. Every knife is unique and has a different pattern on the blade. That looks so cool. If you're comparing this knife with the other knives which has a mono steel, that makes a big sense. It looks completely different and it looks cool. There is nothing to say. VG10 is a stainless steel with a high carbon content, over 1%. The cutting edge is 15 degrees from both sides and has a V form. The handle made from brown pakkawood and a black pakkawood. In the middle it has a white ring which is catch the eye. The length of the blade together with handle is 305 mm. Just the blade is 165 mm. The weight of the knife 150 grams. VG10 still gives the ability to keep the sharpness for a long time, and at the same time VG10 is pretty easy to sharpen. You can smoothly slice paprika like that, or easily chop the mushroom like this. This knife is universal. Don't mind to use it for the fish, meat, fruits or veggies. If you like our video, please put the like and don't forget to subscribe. You can find this product and much more in our online store, which is you can visit on address www.originalknives.no.